Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are out here very early in the morning planting up some of the beets that we started in little tiny paper pots downstairs. I planted some over here and I planted them a little too early. I didn't cover them. I didn't have enough frost protection cover sheets, that sort of thing. So they didn't get covered, and I threw them out here. It was kind of like the survival of the fittest, and they were not fittest. So we will be planting some more seeds over here because, like I said, or maybe I didn't say, maybe I was telling my friends, I need some beets on the shelf this year. We haven't had pickled beets in a while, so we need to get those on the shelf. So I'll be planting up some seeds over here probably before the rain. We're supposed to get some rain today, maybe. I don't know. It looks like it's kind of fading away now, but who knows? We live in Oklahoma. It's crazy. Let me flip the camera around and show you what I've done, where I've planted them, so that way I remember in the future. So right here, I just took clumps of 4 in those paper pots. Let me pull some of this away and show you. Maybe not. And then I just put my leaves right back up around here. So anyway, just trust me, there are 4 little clumps in there, some paper pots. Looks similar to that, all bunched up right there. We will see how those do. I have, I believe 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this bed. And then over here, I planted 1 paper pot every, I don't know, 6 inches or so, 4 to 6 inches. That is a celery plant that has decided to come up. I compost in my beds, and so sometimes I get what I get. We got some cabbage in there, but really isn't a tour. Over here is where I planted all of those beets, and you can see a couple of them are hanging in there. I need to get my drip system set up over here. You can see, I mean, they're trying, but the majority of them are done. They're not coming back from that. So I have this row, and I believe that row I'm going to do in beets. Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. So I thought I was filming when I filmed this side, and I really wasn't. So I'm going to film me planting this side. We are putting in beets. These are some Hustool beets here. They are 55 days. And I bought these in 2020, I think, and when they were tested by Hostools in 2019, they were a 90% germination rate. So I am planting 2 to 3 beet seeds in each little spot in the garden. And then I also have some of these Detroit red beets that we will be planting if I don't have enough of these Hostool seeds. And so hopefully I'm not cutting my head off. I really can't see what I'm doing in the screen. So if I don't have space for these seeds that I got from Steve, then we will be taking these out to the farm on Friday, and we will be planting these beets at the farm. And hoping that I get a really nice harvest of beets this year so I can can up. I believe I have in my garden journal or canning journal that I want to do 50 quarts of pickled beets and then 50 pounds of freeze-dried beets. At least minimum. These are minimums. I would like, now that I think about it, probably closer to 100 pounds of freeze-dried beets, something that I can powder and put in our drinks throughout the winter. So that's the plan, that's the goal. We'll see how close I get. Now, I've already killed beets in these rows that I'm planting today. So most of them did not survive some of the cold snaps that we have. I am probably a little bit better prepared now in the fact that I do have some old bed sheets that if it gets cold between now and the time that these start coming up, or after they come up, then I can at least cover them and secure a better harvest. Now out at the farm, we're kind of stuck with whatever we get out there because of the sheer volume and the length of the rows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want you to have a blessed week. Until next time, see you later. Or bye now. I totally messed that up.